How to add ebook downloads in WordPress, make money 24/7. Hey guys, have you wanted to maybe start selling ebooks or give them away for free to build your list? Well, this is the video for you. I'm going to walk you through step by step, and I don't mean just step by step. I'm going to show you the exact screens you need to go to, exactly what's going to happen in your WordPress site. So you want to stick with me to the very end so you know how to do this and you can earn some extra money. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, turn it from red to gray. It's going to be right down there, and don't forget to ring the bell. Turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live or if I upload a video. And at the end of this, I'll tell you where you can get a free course on digital marketing. All right, let's get right into this. So you've thought about doing these ebooks. Maybe you already have an ebook, but you don't know how to distribute it. A WordPress website is a great way to do it. So I want to get into all the screens, exactly what you're going to see, and I'm going to walk you through each and every step. The first method is direct downloads from WordPress post. So let's get into that first. Now with this method, you're actually going to offer a free ebook by adding a block on your page and having a button where they can download it. Now you're going to want to find the spot on the page where you're going to want to add this block, and then all you have to do is click the plus button to add a new block, and then I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to do. All right, so let's go into WordPress and I want to show you step by step. Okay, in the pop-up that appears, type file to find the right block. Okay, that's what we've done right here. You can see that we've done that, and we want to get this media library right here. Once you click on the file block, it will add the block to your page. In the file block, you want to click on the media library button and a pop-up will appear just like this right here. Now this box will now pop up and you can select your ebook file or drag and drop the file to upload it. By default, the block is actually going to be displaying your ebook's contents in a small like a PDF viewer. It also has some extra controls that lets visitors scroll through the ebook. They can download the file, they can print out the file, whatever they want to do, as you can see right here. Sometimes you may not really want to display, you know, a preview. For example, maybe your ebook, you know, has a whole lot of pages and images and you want visitors to see a full screen, so you don't want to do that way. If you don't want to include a preview, then you can find the PDF settings in the right sidebar of the content editor. You see it right over here on the right. You can then click to expand that section and turn off the show inline embedded slider right there. Now WordPress will now remove the preview and display only a download button and a link, just like what you're seeing right here. Visitors can download this file to their computer, and by clicking the blue download button, they can also open the ebook in a new tab by clicking on the link. If you would rather, you can remove the download button. To take it away, all you have to do is click on the download button settings section in the WordPress sidebar. You can then click show download button slider to turn this setting off, as you can see right here. Now without the download button, visitors can still download the file manually, but they would have to launch your ebook in a separate tab to find the download option that would appear on the page. As you're making your changes to your file block, you can also see how it's going to look to visitors. All you have to do is click on the preview button at the top of the screen. Once you're happy with your file block, you may want to add more blocks. For example, you might want to write something supporting text or add a call to action button to encourage visitors to download the ebook. So that's what you can do here. Here's a screenshot of that. When you're ready, don't forget you want to make all your changes live by clicking the update publish button. I've done this so many times where I didn't click the update publish button and it wasn't live and I was like, what happened to it? So that's all you have to do. You can now successfully add ebooks to the download in the WordPress post, and you can visit your own website if you want to see it in action, of course. Visitors will also be able to search for ebook contents on your website, which is cool. WordPress doesn't do this by default, but you can set that up if you want. Okay, so we saw how we're doing that, but let's talk about how we can get more subscribers by actually adding an ebook and building our email list. Let's get right into that. Uploading your ebook can be a great way to offer more content so that people opt in so you can get them on your list. Now if you are offering your content, your ebook, to build your list or to get people to opt in, you want to make sure that they cannot get the ebook unless they opt in and they give up their email address. So you don't want them to just automatically be able to get the ebook. Now I prefer to use KARTRA, and I will have a link to KARTRA below this video. KARTRA does so many things, but one thing you can do is get people to opt in and then send them to a page, and you collect their email and you tag them and do all that stuff. KARTRA is an amazing marketing tool for digital marketers. And if you click my link below, it will show you a video on how KARTRA works. And if you choose to try it out, you can get a trial for only $1. So you want to check that out and get a good deal on it if you want to continue. So you can use these pop-ups that KARTRA has, and you can design them any way you want. You can have a matcher page, you can change the colors, you can change the wording, anything you want to do so that you have a good pop-up. And once they opt in, all you have to do is send them to a target page. That target page will be where your book is. So basically you're offering free content so that somebody can get to this content, but they got to give up their email address to do it. You can also do something else in KARTRA. When they opt in, you can send them to a page that says check your email for the link to get this content. Now that is useful because some people will put a fake email address in there. They're going to put a fake one just to get to the content. So if you make them put in an email address and say, hey, you're going to find this in your email, and they put a fake one in, they can't get to it. So some people may actually create a fake email address to go through all this, but most people won't do that. It's just too much work. So you want to make sure that if you want to get that email and you want to be certain it's a good email, send them a email that gives them a link to that ebook. Now the last method I want to talk about is actually selling your ebooks. Whoa, making some money, right? Once again, this is where KARTRA comes into play. KARTRA also has a shopping cart, and people can click to purchase your ebook, and it will charge them on KARTRA. And once it charges them, you can send them a link to that ebook, or you can send them to a page that is going to let them download that ebook. That's why KARTRA is so good. Okay, it'll automatically send out these emails, guys. When somebody opts in KARTRA, it will automatically send an email with a link if you want. It can do all kinds of automated things. Maybe they put in their email and they didn't complete the sale, they didn't actually pay for the book. Maybe you have a two-part opt-in where they put in their email first and then they have to pay for it. You can automatically send emails out to these customers and say, hey, you opted in but you haven't completed your sale, click this link here to go back. And I can automate all that so that I'm going to pick up all those sales where people opt out. Now people don't always complete their purchase. I would say probably 70–80% of the people that go to your shopping cart will not complete their purchase, but it's not always for the reasons you think. It could be because they got interrupted. The kid came in the room, or they got an email, or they got misdirected, or they were in the middle of it and their boss came in the office. So if we send these other emails about them not completing their sale, you're going to pick up a lot of extra sales. Now as you can see, you can use your ebook for many different reasons, but it doesn't always have to be an ebook. I know this video is about ebooks, but it could just be a PDF, 10 steps on a PDF or something like that. It doesn't always have to be something large. If you're having a hard time putting together an ebook, I would recommend that you go to some text writing site. I like Text Broker. You can use that, and you can get a lot of stuff written for you. So that's what I got for you today. I hope you find it's useful. I hope you think it's helpful, and if it is, you'll want to subscribe, because I got more of that on here. I've got, I think, around 1,300 videos right now at the time of this recording. So you're going to want to opt in, you're going to want to subscribe. Like I told you, hit that subscribe button, turn it from red to gray. Don't forget to ring the bell. This is the important part after you subscribe, because I can let you know when I've uploaded new content. You don't have to come to my channel and search for it. I'll let you know. That way you save time and hassle. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it. Tell your friends about the channel, share this, give me some comments below. I love talking to you guys. You guys have some great comments. Put it below in the comment section. If you have questions for me, if you just want to say hello, put something there. Comments matter a lot to this channel. So if you just want to say hi, that's fine too. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.